Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche LS. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 114,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.